Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a First Move Asynchronous Tango. Now, if you've done a First Move Tango, that's brilliant. Link in the description below in case you haven't, and we'll show you the move. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Now, some people will say this is harder than a tango, some people will say it's easier. I tend to think it's easier because your body is leading the lady's position and that's going with your steps, whereas in a First Move Tango your body is turning one way and you're stepping in the opposite direction, so they don't tend to naturally go together. But it does mean we need to be able to do ochos a different way. Now, for the ladies it's exactly the same as the tango, but for the guys, instead of stepping and turning and stepping forwards, actually you're collecting, turning and stepping back, turning and stepping back. So it's effectively the same thing as we do in a tango, but backwards. Okay, so let's see if we can make that work. It's probably best if we do it the first time from this side. So we go back, we come in, standard first move, picking up the shoulder blade, just as you would in a tango. We're going to twist the lady out, so the lady's going back with her right, but the guys are actually going to turn, look across in front of the lady and just touch out to the left on the left foot. From here we're going to twist the lady to her left, so she collects her feet, and as we lead her to the right she's going to step forwards on her right foot, and as we do that, guys, we're actually going to turn to our left and step back onto our left foot. Okay, so we've done a movement in the same direction as the lady, but we're going backwards while the lady is going forwards. So now we're going to turn 180 degrees to the man's right, collect. Obviously you want to be doing that without having to put that foot down, you want it just poised ready, and then we lead the lady forwards and the guys again go backwards. So you rotate, collect, ladies are going forwards, guys are going backwards. Final one, if we do the same number as we would have done in the tango, and then it's just as before, lead the lady out into a return and back. So no changes for the ladies' footwork, but the guys' steps are all backwards instead of forwards. So let's think numbers. We go back 1, in 2, twist out, preparation 3, we go through 4, 5, 6, 7, returning 8 and back 1. And just like the tango, you can do them slow or fast. That was the fast version. So let's try it. 5, 6, asynchronous tango. It's a back, in, prep, 1, 2, 3, 4, return and back. And that is that. Hope you enjoyed it. Practice it slow, it gets easier, and then gradually speed it up. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, and there is a music recommendation on the end in the last few seconds of the video as the windows come up. We'll see you next time.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.